and welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok messages not sending or working issue. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If you're finding that the TikTok direct messages are not sending or working in general, then the first thing you can do is make sure you have a strong internet connection. Once you have a strong internet connection, try going to your TikTok application one more time and try sending your message. Another thing you can try out is go check the privacy settings for messaging on TikTok. Tap open your TikTok application and from your home screen, tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner. Once you do that, you'll be taken to your profile. Now, from your profile, tap on the three dots at the upper right corner. Now, tap on Privacy, scroll all the way down under Safety and tap on Who can send you direct messages. Here, choose either Friends or Everyone to allow messages. We suggest choosing Friends if you don't want message from a random follower. Sometimes, turning off the settings will prevent you from sending or receiving TikTok messages. So make sure to choose either Everyone or Friends and go back to your TikTok home screen and try sending the message again. Another thing you can try out is try sending a direct message to another TikTok account. Tap on your inbox at the bottom of the screen and tap on the direct message button at the upper right. Tap on the plus button at the upper right and choose one of your contacts you want to send the text message to. Type in your text message and send the message to the contact. If you can't send messages to anyone, try reaching out to TikTok support to identify any account issues or bans. But if you find out that your TikTok message is only unsuccessfully delivered to a particular person, then this could be an issue on their end. Probability might be that they might have restricted their privacy settings. This step is not necessarily a fix, but it helps you identify if the TikTok messaging problem is account related or not. Another thing you could try out is go to a Play Store and type in TikTok in the search box. Sometimes the most common reason users find their TikTok messages not working is that their app isn't updated. So make sure to tap on the update button and update your app before moving on. By updating the app, you can ensure that the TikTok messages feature is up to date with the latest bug fixes. Lastly, if nothing works, then simply go to your TikTok application and contact TikTok support. From your home screen, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner, and once you do that, from your profile page, tap on the three dots at the upper right corner. From your settings and privacy, scroll all the way down until you reach to the Support tab. Tap on Report a Problem and select a topic under Select a Topic tab. Tap on Notification and Message. After that, choose a topic that best describes your situation. Tap on your choices and tap on one of the options mentioned. If messaging is no longer available, simply tap on Messaging is no longer available. Similarly, if you are unable to send messages but you are receiving it just fine, then tap on Unable to send messages. Similarly, if you are unable to receive messages, then tap on the last option that says Unable to receive messages. Select a topic and on the next page, you'll be able to see why you are not able to receive messages. To be able to receive messages, you'll need to make sure you are following each other on TikTok and you have enabled message in privacy settings. There is a solution mentioned as well in this page. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or refresh your message page. After you try it out, your problems will be resolved. If not, tap on No. If you still have the problem, tap on Still Have Problem and type in your feedback. After you're done, tap on Report, and after a few days, do check your inbox occasionally to see if TikTok gets back to you. Those were some of the steps you can consider if you are having trouble receiving or sending TikTok messages. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.